relation of pressure and height in a liquid? Well, you see I have two pressure sensors. For both of them, they were zeroed at atmospheric pressure, so we are reading gauge pressure, pressure above atmosphere. And there's a difference here of about 13 or so, a little more kilopascals. So what? Channel 1 is lower, channel 2 is higher. Channel 1 is measuring the pressure up here. I also have a syringe attached so I can change the pressure at the top if I want. Pressure sensor 2 is way down here. And there is a height difference. That height difference is about 1.3 meters. So, lower pressure at the top, higher pressure at the bottom. What happens if I change the pressure at the top? Does this difference stay the same? What do you think will happen? When you push on the syringe at the top and increase the pressure in the top, what do you think will happen at the bottom? It could stay the same, roughly 16 kilopascals. Could get bigger, could get smaller. Make your prediction. Okay, let's try it. I'm going to press on the syringe, and you see the pressure at the top increased. So did the pressure at the bottom. I'll try to hold it steady here, and it looks like the difference is still a little over 13 kilopascals. That's interesting. I let go. Seeing a pattern here? Well, it'll be a little easier to see with a graph. In this graph, the blue is channel 2 pressure, so it's the pressure lower down. The green is the channel 1 pressure, it's the pressure up at the top. And the red is calculated as the difference between the two. So let's see if something happens. I increase the pressure on the bottom, the green line, see what happens with the red line, if anything. Well, the red line is not doing anything. The difference between the two is staying the same. Pressure at the top is going up, pressure at the bottom is going up. They're going up and down together. Pressure depends on height. Pressure also, if it's changed in one place, changes the same everywhere else. Let's stop this. Go back to the numbers. Still, just a touch over 13 kilopascals. I'm going to raise this so that the lower is now going to be a little higher up, so I'm going to decrease the height difference. Okay, here we go. I've decreased the height difference, and the difference between the two is decreasing. For a second there, I had the other one higher. Put it back down further, and the pressure difference is increasing.